back home for good?
Well, yes, I am thinking about like starting a business here.
Business? What kind of business you thinking about?
I have not pinpointed it as yet, but maybe a funeral home.
Funeral home? That sounds good.
Well, I have always been interested in the dead, if I can say that.
Well, if you're interested in life, we have to be interested in death.
I hope you don't have anything dead.
Live and well, live and well. But it seems like I might have to stop calling you nicey and call you naughty.
Well, that works too.
Naughty. You know, I should take you out for dinner one day.
That would be so lovely.
I'm leaving.
Okay. Well, the food is good here, but I just want to go somewhere different. You understand?
That's nice to kind of go outside sometimes.
Just remember, Kamisha, lunch money for Monday.
Okay. Oh, she's one of the house helpers.
So, who is Kamisha?
Okay. She's my daughter's mother. So I just gave her a work here.
Your what?
My daughter's mother. Look, Nicey. Remember, we didn't get a chance to talk about my personal life. And we are not together. So, she's my daughter's mother.
So, I guess we have a lot to talk about.
Over dinner. Tell me, what room you staying in?
Well, I've tried Barbados before. This time, I'm in Trinidad and Tobago.
Great. Come, let me walk you to your room.
Well, I like what you're doing with the place.
Yes, upgrade.
This wasn't there the last time I came.
But you can't work. I just need to dance.
Yeah, I tell her, I just say I can't work in the summer. But when you reach a aisle, if you give me the last gator reel.
What's getting real? Oh, you know, some of them see it at Zalatan.
As I said before, I tell her, I just say I can't work for the summer.
Summer? You wait so long for time?
Because I have to give myself time to accumulate the money and buy the things them.
Hello, our restaurant can open, now look at wings and festival and them so then ourselves.
Me as a youth will love plan things, you know.
Someone asks something. I say you plan when you have to miss a good soon.
But sometimes,
No man, hold on. Oh, wait there. I'm never ready. You serious?
I want them to ask and it shall be given.
Someone on there. Then how that work? Where though? Say, come here, may please have some sugar to go?
Not exactly. But like when she call me sometimes, I ask her if it's possible.
Not sir, it's a corporate company who not run for phone relationship.